If you have a T-urn that is leaking by the nozzle, there could be two issues. One, the threads that go to the back of the T-urn that hold it into place could be broken. Or two, the seat cup that's inside the body is damaged and needs to be swapped out. If it's the seat cup, in order to get to that, you'll just need to remove or loosen what's known as the faucet bonnet that attaches to the body. Once that's removed, you will pull that back and you will see where the seat cup is. And you should be able to pull that off, and we will ship you the brand new one, put it into place, and you should be able to put it back on. If the faucet body thread is cracked, you'll want to loosen the wing nut. And also you want to make sure, again, the T-urn is empty. And once you receive the brand new nozzle, you want to put it on, pull the wing nut towards you, and thread it, and tighten the nozzle back on just to make sure you don't over tighten, because it could cause the threads to break and that will cause it to leak. If you do these two things, you still have an issue, feel free to reach out to us.